So got some strange, interesting things happening down in the birdhouse. Y'all come take a look. Okay, y'all look at this. This is Winston, the Patagonian conure. He is infatuated with Lolita, the yellow-necked Amazon. There's Blueberry. Blueberry, get your tail out of the way. Blueberry has put herself in timeout inside this little bitty breeder cage. The door is open. She can come in and out on her own accord. Lolita is the Amazon that's put herself in timeout. She can come in and out of this cage on her own. I think she's trying to escape the unwanted advances from Winston the conure. Winston, man, what are you doing to her? Huh? What are you doing to her? Huh? Why don't you just go sit in the corner, Winston? Go sit in the corner, Winston. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Is that mean brown bird being ugly to you? Huh? Is he being ugly to you? My poor little Lolita. Oh, is he being ugly to you? Sweetie, you're going to have to come to the bottom if you want me to pick you up. I can't reach up there from the doorway. Here. I can't. See? Maybe I can. Don't bite me now. Come on. Come on. Winston, I'm going to have to put you somewhere else. Winston. And see, I was afraid you were going to cause trouble with the little birds, and here you are being mean to Lolita. I know Lolita's bigger than he likes big girls. Baby, that is not a pretty cat. That is Daniela's pet. Ha 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 ha. There we go. Oh, what a good birdie. What a good little bird you are. Loves you so much. We got some scritches up there. We got some scritches, some pin feathers. There we go. So yeah, I'm probably going to have to move Winston and put him somewhere else. He's really was concerned that he would, cause harm to some of the little birds, although he never has before. But it's clear that he's just going to aggravate the bejeebies out of Lolita, and so I'm going to have to move him. Probably do that really soon, probably when I get home. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Check out the links down below. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.